Hey guys, how's it going? Today I got an unboxing for you, and that unboxing is Bobos. Big old box of stuff. This is a subscription box that you can get. It's not really technically a subscription box. It's not month to month. They don't charge you every month. You go on there and buy it when you want it, which is great. The Bobos team it's a family ran company. They're awesome. They do everything themselves. It's not a big corporation. It's very nice. And this is my second box, and the first one was nice. It was awesome. But let's get in it and see what's going on. I got to give a lot of props to the Bobos team. It seems like they go through a lot for these boxes. Look for a lot of things. Take a lot of time out of their day for their customers. Customer satisfaction is always good. Alright, let's do this. I also want to tell everybody that me and my wife does this questionnaire, so there might be some girly things in here, so don't laugh at me. Let's do this kind of blindly. Let's open it backwards here. Alright, we got it open. Move some of the paper out of the way. Fill around here. Let's go with this first. We got a Funko Pop keychain of Wolverine, which is awesome. Go along with my other pop keychains I got over there. Let's see what else we got over here. We got something bubble wrap. Let's go with these. Let's go with these. Seems like some buttons here. We got Spider-Man, which is cool. We got a Deadpool pin. Button. Not a pin, it's a button. Alright, let's go with... There's a big item in here. Something wrapped up. Let's go around them and go to the bottom here. Alright. This is really neat. The Secret Defenders comic. This is a phenomenal comic. I love it. I know there's a lot of DC fans out there and a lot of Marvel fans, but I gotta say, I am 90% Marvel and maybe 10% DC. I mean, I like Batman, but I really love this comic. It's really nice. I like that. Alright. We got a bubble wrapped item, and we got a figure, it feels like. So we're going to go with this bubble wrapped item first. See what we got here. Very well packaged here. Let's see what we got. Oh, very cool. My wife's going to love this. It's a Maleficent cup from Sleeping Beauty. She's going to love that. It's her favorite. Put that back there. Seems like we only got... Oh, nope. There's another little... Oh, we got some Nickelodeon trading cards. Very cool. I'll save those and let my wife open those. That's her thing. She likes the Nickelodeon stuff. Alright, seems like we got this last item. Oh, this is cool. Peter Venkman action figure. Very cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Actually, he's my favorite character in the movie. Here's you can get all 4 guys, and once you get all 4 guys, you put the ghost statue together, which is awesome. I really enjoy this box. It was definitely worth the wait. And all the Bobos comes with a letter from the team. I'll put that up there so you guys can read it. If you guys want to pause to read the letter, that's fine. But I really enjoy getting Bobos, and I really like how it's a family-run company. They obviously, you've seen it. They do you very good, and I want to send out a big thanks to the Bobos team. I really appreciate it, and you guys do phenomenal. Hang on a minute. You guys do a phenomenal job. Big thumbs up. You guys keep watching. Subscribe, like, comment. We'll be coming at you with some more videos. And thank you for watching.